Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing good at your home. So babies, today we will understand the new EVS topic safety rules. Which topic? Safety rules. You know, safety means being careful and not getting hurt. And to be safe, we must follow some rules. And these are called safety rules. Okay, so to be safe, we must follow some rules, and these are called safety rules. You know, we have to follow safety rules everywhere to keep ourselves safe. Okay, so today we will discuss about them in detail. First is safety on the road. First is safety on the road. Always go out with an elder. You are too small, so you should never go alone. Always go out with an elder. Walk on the pavement, footpath. And if there is no footpath, walk on the safe side of the road. If there is no footpath, walk on the safe side of the road. And cross the road at the zebra crossing only. You can see the zebra crossing, black and white strips on the road. We should cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Never play on the road. Never run on the road. You might get hurt. Okay, before crossing the road, first look to the right, then to the left, and again to the right, and then cross the road when it is clear. Obey traffic lights and signs. You know, traffic light, 3 traffic lights. 3 lights, green, red, yellow. Green light means go. Yellow light means wait. And red light means stop. We have to follow some traffic rules to keep ourselves and others safe. If we are not careful, someone might get hurt. So we have to follow traffic rules and traffic signs, traffic lights. Okay, babies? Okay, next is to follow safety rules at home. Safety rules at home. Never jump on a bed or a sofa. Never jump on a bed or a sofa. If you will jump, you might get hurt. Second is do not play with fire. Stay away from it. Do not play with candles, matchboxes, and gas stoves. Do not play with electrical points, plugs, wires, and iron. Do not touch them, electric wires, sockets. You might get crunked. So never touch them. Do not play with sharp things like blades, knives. Do not play with them. You might get hurt. Scissors. Never play with sharp objects such as knives, blades, scissors. You might get hurt. Do not lean over a balcony railing. You might get down and you get hurt. So you have to follow safety rules at home. Next is safety at school. In school also you have to follow safety rules. Walk in a line while going on the stairs. You can avoid hurting each other by walking and not running. Do not push each other. Be careful while climbing the stairs. Do not climb on desks and chairs when teacher is not in the class. Do not jump on the chairs and desks. And do not throw things around in the class. Throw the litter in the dustbin. So you have to follow safety rules everywhere. Whether you are on the road, you are at your home, you are at school. It is for your own safety. To be safe, we have to follow safety rules. Okay. Babies, we have also to follow safety rules while traveling in the bus or car. We should always wait in a line for the bus. And when we board a bus, we should sit properly on our seat. We should never stand on the door of the bus. And also never put your head or arms outside the window of a moving bus. You may get hurt. Okay, never disturb the driver and wait for the car or bus to stop before getting off. And when the bus stops, only then get down. And always wear a seat belt in the car. It keeps you safe in case of an accident. And when you are going on two-wheelers, always wear helmet. It protects us from head injury. Okay, it is safe to wear helmet while driving two-wheeler. Next is safety while swimming. You have to follow safety rules while swimming also. Never go alone for a swim. And also never go into deep water. Swim at a protected pool only. Do not push anyone into the water for fun. He might get hurt. You also might get hurt. So you have to follow safety rules everywhere you go. Okay. If someone gets hurt or you get hurt, do not panic. Do not crowd around the person who is hurt. Call an adult immediately. And the immediate care, you know what is first aid? The immediate care or help given to a person before medical help arrives is called first aid. Till the doctor come, you can give the first aid to the injured person. What is first aid? The immediate care or help given to a person before the medical help arrives is a first aid. Okay, babies? I hope you have understand the chapter. Now you will follow safety rules everywhere you go. Okay, babies? Now you will read this chapter with the help of your parents. Stay home, stay safe. Take care, babies.